Well, welcome guys. This is in the hills of Castro Valley. This house totally burned down. I think we need to knock it down. They're asking 1.5 for it. I love it because there's a lot of land. There's like 5 acres of land. Definitely need to tear down the house, but it's doable. I would pay $1 million for this. Look at all the land. There's 5 acres. You can have horses there. You can have, cows, chicken. Yeah. This one gonna need a little bit work. Ooh. Yeah. Man. Is this the kitchen? Yeah. Yep.
It was in pretty good shape. Until the fire.
Jared, how much you pay for this place?
Okay, so it is 3 acres of land. Oh, 5. Seeing the conditions now that I'm like in front of it, I'm thinking otherwise. But there's land.
There's a lot of land. You can have horses here.
You have a stable. You want to buy it?
I still want to buy it. I love the land. 1.5, baby. Castro Valley, California. You know, this is land, man. There's a barn.